In this video, we'll be learning three basic algebraic identities. The three identities we'll be learning are a plus b squared, a minus b squared, and a plus b times a minus b. First, let's figure out how to simplify a plus b squared. We can rewrite this as a plus b times a plus b. We can use the acronym for F stands for first. So we'll multiply the first value of each bracket to get a squared. The O stands for outside. So multiply the outside numbers a and b to get ab. The I stands for inside. So we'll multiply b and a to get ab. And the L stands for last. So we'll multiply the last value in each bracket to get b squared. Simplifying this, we'll get a squared plus 2ab plus b squared. Now let's figure out how to simplify a minus b squared. We can rewrite it as a minus b times a minus b. Using FOIL again, we can derive that this equals to a squared minus ab plus b squared, which is equal to a squared minus 2ab plus b squared. Finally, let's figure out how we can simplify the last identity, which is a plus b times a minus b. Using FOIL again, we get that it's equal to a squared minus ab plus ab minus b squared, which we can cancel out the ab and the minus ab to get a squared minus b squared. To summarize, we have covered three algebraic identities. A plus b squared is equal to a squared plus 2ab plus b squared. A minus b squared is equal to a squared minus 2ab plus b squared. And a plus b times a minus b is equal to a squared minus b squared. Now let's use these identities to solve the question in the thumbnail. How can we find the value of 499 times 501 without using a calculator? Making use of the third identity, we can rewrite 499 times 501 as 500 minus 1 times 500 plus 1. Because of the third identity, we know this is equal to 500 squared minus 1 squared, which is equal to 250,000 minus 1, which is equal to 249,999. Thanks for watching.